Look at them. There's got to be hundreds of them. There's some big ones. Yeah, it's a trout. Nice trout. Nice. Well, boys, I have made it out here on one of my spots that I haven't been here for, I don't know, a good 6 months, maybe 7. But I'm out here. I got this all set up. And I brought my son. He's in the water already. As always. He loves coming with me. Especially if we're going to be in the water. And the water now is a little murky. It's cool. There's bait fish in the water. Just small little greenies. Just really, really small. But we're gonna get to it. I'm gonna tie on a banana jig, maybe target for pompano. See what's gonna hit, because I see all this bait. See all that bait flickering on top of the water? So I'm gonna get to it and I'll be right back. Just like that, boys. Banana jig with a teaser, with a loop knot. Let's get it going. Looks like tide's coming in. I hope we can get something. It's just a lot of bait. A lot of bait. We're gonna see. We're gonna see what we can get. Get it out there a little further. Yeah, look at them. There's got to be hundreds of them. There's some big ones. Well, boys, I went ahead and changed to a chartreuse, 2 chartreuse, a teaser chartreuse, and the actual jig head itself chartreuse. So I'll give it a try. The other one, I gave it maybe a good 30 minute, 40 minute. So I said I'll go ahead and change it, and let's get it back out there and see what we can get. I'm hoping a pompano or maybe a bluefish or jacks, something. Need something, but I'll get right back with you. Well, boys, there was a school of jack just came right through. Never hooked up, never had my GoPro on. Oh, they're over there now. Look at them busting underneath the bridge. Wow, they're just busting underneath the bridge. You see it? Oh my, you see that, bub? Oh my goodness. They're just busting. Oh, boys, nothing on the jig. I'm gonna switch it up and throw on a paddle tail. And then go from there. So far, not even a little nibble, nothing. But I saw those jacks. I'll be ready this time. Oh, I'll be ready. Just like that. My swim bait. We're gonna get to it. Let's see. I don't know. I hope I get something. But if not, I'm having fun with my son. And I get to play over there. I'll fish. I'll probably swim with him in a little bit. But let's get to it. Let's see what we can get. Whew.
Oh.
Whew. Oh. Oh. GoPro start recording. Boys, I had a jack on. I wasn't even recording. I thought I was recording. Oh, man, all that. Okay. Oh, dude, I wasn't recording. Oh, man, that sucks, dude. Like I said, I had a jack on. I just let it go like 2 minutes ago. I released it and let it go. Oh, man, he hit it like boom. Almost jerked the rod out of my hand. And it was the first cast too. It hit the water, bam. I was already on them. So we can do this again. Man, I couldn't believe I'm not recording. Dang it. But you know what? It's okay. It is okay. Can't get frustrated. It is what it is, my man. It is what it is, boys. Boys and girls, it is what it is. But it was my first fish. Yeah, my son, he's up there having a snack, getting fueled up. Oh, he loves coming out here. Even though he doesn't fish, he loves being out here, being in the water. It's cool. It's nice to bring your kids out. My son, he loves being in the water. It's either salt water, fresh water, in the puddle. He loves it. But all right, boys, I will get back with you when I do hook up again. Ooh. Fish on, boys.
8, 9.
I bet it's a trout.
30, 40, 60, 30, 60.
Oh, there he is. Yeah, it's a trout. Nice trout. Nice trout. Oh, he smoked it. Come here, trout. I know, I got him. Come here, trout. Nice one, too.
Oh my.
All right. Okay. Easy. There's sharp hook, buddy. He's got sharp teeth. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
And his first catch.
Oh, and I hooked my pants.
You hooked your pants.
Yeah, hold this, please. Just hold it.
Coco crazy.
Oh.
He's a big one? Yeah, he's a big one.
There we go.
There he is.
Man, he hooked my pants. That's what I said. Don't grab them, because you'll get a hook in your hand. You see his teeth? They got 2 fangs.
So.
Check it out, boys. See ya.
Oh.
Next one, you're gonna catch, okay?
Me?
Yeah.
I can't catch one.
Yeah. Here, I'll throw it out.
Here?
Yeah, I'll throw it out. No, he's gone. All right, boys. I got my son to fish. Well, he wanted to fish, so I had to catch some bait for him. Well, say hey, YouTube.
Hey, YouTube.
You ready to fish?
I'm
Yeah?
ready to put it on the hook.
You want to put it on the hook? All right, grab a bait.
That's the bait.
Okay, put it on the hook. Be careful. You know how to do it? Put it on the tail. Oh, here, like this. Put him back. He's all sandy. You got some good ones in here, huh?
Yeah, that's what I mean.
All right. You hook it like this on the little tail back here.
Oh, can
Just
I
like
try?
that. Yeah, go try the next one. Let me toss them out.
Oh, I wanted to toss it.
All right. I went ahead and threw his out. We're both gonna be fishing. He used live bait, I'll use artificial. Got it in? Good job, man. Good job. So you threw it out there? Yeah? And you threw it out there? Cool. Are you gonna get one? You gonna get a big one?